Welcome friends. In today's session we are going to see lab program execution of deep learning and reinforcement learning. The first problem statement is design and implement a neural based network for generating word embedding for words in a document corpus. So open Google Chrome browser and search for Python download and make sure to open this official website and just scroll down and select Python 12.10 version. Make sure not to install Python 3.13 or 14 version because these versions are recently released and they do not support torch module and some other modules which are used in our deep learning labs. So make sure to install this one or below this one. Here Windows installer 64-bit I'm clicking and the file size is 25.7 MB. Just open it, double click. Make sure to tick these both the boxes, that is add python.exe to path and giving admin privileges, and click on install, give permission. As it is installing, just let open VTU circle website, click on laboratory, click on 2022 scheme, 7th semester, deep learning and RL lab. As it is opening, okay, here they are suggesting to use PyCharm IDE for better experience and means best experience and easier execution of Python programs, but we are going to execute in Python ideally. So let's see the first code. Here torch module is need to be installed in our system so that this program must be executed successfully. So let's copy this command, and as our setup is installed, just close this window, open command prompt and then just type Python space hyphen version to check the version installed, and then just paste the copied command, that is pip install torch, to install the module. It will install the module. This module is bit larger in size, so make sure to have good connectivity of internet so that process will be done faster. Okay, as it is installing, I will just split the screen and let's go through program. Here we are importing torch module and we are also importing torch module.nn, that is neural network, as nn, then optimum to optimize the code. The importing import torch.optimum as optim as optim, that is optimizer. Then here from collections importing counter, then import re means regular expression, and import random to choose the random values. So here first step is prepare the corpus. Corpus means collection of document. So here we are defining the tokenize function with parameter text. So this will return regular expression. Then this is our corpus. Tokens is variable which will tokenize the corpus. And then second step, build vocabulary. Word counts is equal to counter tokens. These are basic program, so you can just go through these all steps. If you face any problem in understanding these steps, do comment out. I will be making other video for detailed explanation of each line by line code. So here our torch is installed and it is asking me to upgrade my pip, so I will just upgrade it. Okay, my pip is installed, and make sure to install pip install numpy. As we are dealing with some number values, that is here frequencies of the text tokenization will be done random. We are importing random modules, so we need to be present with the numpy module. Okay, now let's just copy this code and search for IDLE, then click on open. You can close command prompt. As IDLE opens, just click on file, new file, just close this, splitting it, and then just paste the code from VTU circle to here, then press Ctrl S to save, and let me create one new folder as deep learning and reinforcement learning. Okay, under that folder I will save my program as dl1.py is the extension used, but as we are selecting here save type, so we not need to type it. Just click on save, then click on run module. Our shortcut key is F5. Okay, just wait for the execution. For first time the execution will be taking some time. Let's wait until it is executing. See, we must get this similar output, but the values might not be the exact same to same, because the model depends on neural network, so it may change or it may not change. So here these are the values, vocabulary, appose and all. You can see, go through this. This ends our first program of deep learning and reinforcement learning. If you face any problem or while executing, if any errors, you can comment out in the comments. I will do reply to them. And make sure to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that further videos will be notified you as soon as I upload them. Thank you for watching.